Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm back with another website like you see with me here. It's called Tune, and it's formerly known as Has Offers. Is a performance marketing platform that provides tools for managing and optimizing affiliate marketing and mobile marketing campaign. So to get started with the website, simply head on over to Tune or tune.com in Google or any other browser that you prefer. And this is the results here that I got after my search. This is the official site, Tune partner marketing platform, and some other similar websites, and also the definition on Wikipedia and some other results. We need the official site, that means this one here. Let's click on this link. So once you click on it, you get directly to the homepage or the interface of the website, where you can find some key features and the button that where you can request the demo and some other informations in the results. To request a demo, you need to click on this button over here. We will come back to these key features after I show you how to request the demo and the different information that you need to enter to create the account successfully to request. So we need to click on this blue button over here. And here are some information that we need to enter and answer about. First thing, we need to enter the first name, and after that the last name, then the company email and the company name. Now you need to enter the job title, then the country. I already have this supported information with the Gmail. And you need to select the business type. There's some choices here: the advertiser, publisher, network, agency, or other. And you need to click that. If you want to receive more information on Tune and you understand and agree to the privacy policy, you need to click on this one, and then you need to submit. Okay, let's wait for a moment until the page upload. So this is how to request a demo. It's requested successfully, like you see with me here. A Tune representative will be in touch with you shortly. You can just read this following text over here. So we created the account successfully. Now let's come back to the home page to see the different key features that the website is present to us. And let me tell you that for the affiliate tracking, Tune provides repost tracking capabilities and or to accurately track and attribute conversion and action driven by affiliates. It uses tracking pixels, cookies, or unique identifiers to track user actions and attribute them to specific affiliates. Now, like you see with me here, there is this support button over here, and it's very important in every website. And the Tune offers customer support and training resources to assist businesses in using the platform effectively. It provides documentation, guides, and webinars to help businesses optimize their affiliate marketing and mobile marketing campaign. You need just to choose the kind of the support that you want to Tune present to you. Do you want it on a help site, developer site, training, or the contact support? You can contact them by email, calls, or chats, every with any way that you want. And here you'll find the advertiser and the publisher interface. The Tune provides a separate interface for advertisers and publishers. Advertisers can set up and manage their affiliates program, track campaign performance, and communication with affiliates. Publisher can access offers, track their performance, and access marketing resource. And the same key features, you can find them over here. Like example, if you want the solution for the Tune, you will find this for advertisers, for network or direct to customer, financial services, or we can call it also performance analytics. That Tune offers comprehensive analytics and reporting features to measure the performance of affiliate marketing campaign. It provides real-time data on clicks, conversion, revenue, and other key performance indicators. Businesses can generate customizable reports and visualization to gain insights into the effectiveness of their campaign. Okay, let's check it out now to know that what I'm talking about. I'm sorry, I want this one. Financial services. So this is what I meant. And also for the affiliate management, Tune allows businesses to manage their affiliates effectively. It provides tools for affiliate requirements, application approval, and communication. Businesses can set up different commission structures, manage payouts, and monitor affiliates' performance through the platform. Yeah, and also there is a very important thing about the mobile attribution. Tune specializes in mobile marketing attribution, allowing businesses to track and measure apps install, in-app events, and post-install conversion. It supports tracking across multiple platforms and ad networks, providing insights into the performance of mobile marketing campaign. And we found also the services on the same page, and also the solution we have in for networkers. And the integration is that the Tune integrates with various third-party platforms and ad networkers, allowing businesses to track conversion and attribution across different channels. It also offers API access for custom integration with other systems. So that's our video today. I hope you guys understand. Please, if you like the video, subscribe for more and follow me to see more videos like that. So like usual, my guys, bye bye to the next video and next website. Until that time, I hope you still in good health.